This is the basic model of my project, which have 4 wheels, an axle, dynamo, motor, bulb and some wires. Okay, the wheels are connected with the axle, okay, which is connected with the motor, which is below the dynamo. Now the dynamo is well connected with the axle, and a low powered bulb is attached with the terminals of the dynamo. This is the terminals of the dynamo through the wires. Okay, now when the power is supplied to the motor, the wheels starts running, okay, as well as the axle. The dynamo connected with the axle also starts running. Okay, here we can see the dynamo is running. Now due to electromagnetic induction, it generates electricity which blows up the bulb. Here you can see that the bulb is glowing. Okay,